Hey guys, I'm playing Counter Blocks again today. Sorry about the last video, the sound didn't come, I don't know why, but I just got okay. Gonna buy STR case because it's my favorite one. Please give me something good. Okay, nice, sure, I'll take it. I got a lot because I bought a lot of bucks and I played for some time. So I thought that after I played for a while, I thought that this is enough. That many skins is enough. So yeah, got it. Oh wow, wait, 1 kills. They only have 1 kill, so we lost. We lost 3 times. Man, that's sad. Hey, why didn't I get my skin yet? Oh no. Don't know. I'll go to wait, I want this. Wow, I know, right? I have like 3 nice. But should I take M4A4 or M4A1? Comment down below. Next video, I'll use which one. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't have my AK-47 skin for this account. Hey, what? Oh. Okay, great. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, so after I play some, I'm gonna go to unranked. Totally 101 plays. Oh wow, there's only one. There's only one left. Oh, I really wanna help. That's me, Ice Cold Killer 6. Just search Ice Cold Killer 6. You guys can friend me anytime. I want a knife. It's so cool. I really want a knife. What? Why don't I have my USPS yet? This guy, bro. Oh no. This guy got my. Wait. I don't know why it suddenly suck. Why is this not equipping? If I think I'll use M4A1 for now. I'll use M4A4 for now. Look, 18 rushes. I don't like railgun. Theory is so nice. Theory is such a good skin. I really want AK-47 though. It's such a nice skin. AK-47 maker. Oh, I need my skin for my USPS, bro. Taking off that and then make. Okay, now. I'll help terrorists. But I really suck at this map. I really hate this map. Oh yeah, so next video I'm making Phantom Forces. I'm not a starter. I'm really playing for a long time, but I haven't made a video about it, so yeah. And after that, adopt me. One of you guys wanted to adopt me, so after Phantom Forces, I'm doing adopt me. Okay. Then Brawl Stars, I'm getting Surge. I'm gonna buy the Brawl Pass, so be sure to check both of them out. And please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Oh, good job. You won. Yeah, that's me. Great. I think SG553 is way. I like Glock 19 Rush. It's a nice skin, bro. Ghostly plays, yeah. Oh, nothing. Oh, info A1. It's so taking info A1. Okay, great. Oh, I'm fourth. Nah. I'm gonna throw that there. Where is that guy? Yeah, I did. I did automatic burst fire. Where is this man? What? How? Why did we lose? Ah. Okay, I got the bomb now. Let's go. We're gonna win this round. Okay, I know camping is not really nice, but camping is essential. Okay. Huatang. Nobody. Should be careful for. Okay, good job. More. Okay, fine. Oh no. Okay. I want this. My lunar. I'm gonna take this. I like holidays. Wait, no. Spectre is nice. Racetrack. Lunar. Yeah, I like this. I could go. No. Good job. What? Oh, we lost? No way. I love my lunar. Yeah, I know that's the person. Oh no, they were crushed. Okay, wow, come on, Trey. Okay, Ghostly, it's your turn. I don't know if Ghostly, sorry. I don't know if he's gonna win. I just wasted my op. Okay, good job. GG. We win. Dude, bruh, why are you kicking him? He's not hacking. Seaside. Seaside. I love this map, but I'm going for CT. What? Where's my USP Paradise? Hey, what? Okay, wow. I love M4A4 now. Okay, great. Hey, why? I want my... Please give me my USPS pack. Okay, great. Now I have my... What? Where did the skin go? Oh, now you... Okay, great. Oh no. Wow. Okay. I always am bad at pistol rounds, so don't blame me. Um, really, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go for CT. But Tech 9 is a really good pistol. Okay, what's this called? No, he's not gonna survive it, bro. One Tech 9 shot does like 30 damage. So yeah, done. Okay, so next round I'm gonna totally dominate them. Why am I not getting my USPS? Okay, no, I'm gonna take this out.